Hello everyone, this is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Hope you guys are doing well. I am also doing well. Today we'll explore about how we can create our own website, like a static website by using AWS S3. Today we'll talk about little bit on S3 and then what the purpose of this static website, like what purpose we can use, if you would like to create your own CV kind of thing, or maybe you are running some business, small business, and in that business you would like to create your own website, right? Then you can use this AWS S3, and by using that you can create your own website. Think you are running one application, and one more like use case I would like to say, suppose you are running one application and that application due to some XYZ reason it's a go to down, or maybe something happen on that particular region, right? Then in that case, or to give some customer like user friendly message, right? Instead of giving some error, what we can give, like, okay, this site is under maintenance or something like that, right? As soon as the region or your application goes down, right? Then AWS, this static website will bring it up and it will give to the customer, this application is under maintenance, something like that. For that purpose also we can use this static website. So guys, let's move on to this AWS console and we'll show you how we can create that. So to create a static website, what we need one S3 bucket first. Okay, so let me create one S3 bucket. I will show you how we can create. So give the bucket name. Something like that. Okay. And now I blocked everything to show you this thing, and then this one, go to advanced. Everything as a default. I am not putting anything here. Okay. So let's jump to this create. So my bucket creation is done. Let's go to the property and how we can enable this AS3 behave as a static, right? So one option is here. We need to enable that. So let me enable this one. So we can just click on enable. Then we can enable the static website by using that. Then host static or redirect request. And here we need to specify what our starting page, right? Let's give the index.html, which is nothing but our home page. Okay. And here, if you have any error in your static web page, right, then you can bring this as a something like some error message or something like that. For that purpose, we can use it. So, okay. So, okay. So let me save this one. Now this is done. This is done. If you see here, it is giving one endpoint or DNS, right? By using this endpoint, we can hit our static web page, right? So let me show you that. So it is a forbidden, right? Some permission issues, right? How we can resolve this permission? So let me show you that. So let's move on to the permission. And here all public access is blocked, right? So let me enable this one. Let me add, okay. Now everything is there, right? Now let's see if it is allowed. Hope it will not allow because we need to set our policy also, right? So still it will give the error message. Yeah, still it is giving, right? So what we need to do here, we need to set our policy backup, the bucket policy, right? So let's show you that what AWS S3 static web page bucket policy. Let me show you that. S3 only will give the read access since it's a static web page, right? We should not give write, delete any other permission to that bucket, and we'll give the read access only. So let me show you how we can set up that policy here. Let's click here, permissions tab, and here we have on disable, and let's copy this one. Okay, what we are doing here, we are allowing everything, but what action we are allowing? Only get object for this particular bucket. If you not yet watch my previous video about that S3, right? How this specific action, all these things, how what the usability, right? Please take a look at that video so that you will get more clear on that. And I have already demonstrated like different kind of permission, all these things. So that will really help to you guys. Or else I will give that link to this video description so that you can take a look also. So let's copy here. Ready? Pasted here. And we need to specify our bucket name. Okay. Only this is particular bucket only where I'm okay. Now it is done. Now save this. Now bucket policy save is done. So let's now hit again. Now it's saying like no such key, index.html is not there, right? So let me go to here, object section. Let's upload those. So what I have done here, I have created one index.html page, and then I have put it some of the style, like some of the style, this all these things. So let me like add those all these things here. Let's move on to here, upload section. Okay, let's select this. Now upload. So it is uploading one by one. Still it is in progress, right? So it is done. So let's close this. Everything is done, right? So now let's see. At the issue now. Index.html. I think slash is missing here. It is index.html. This URL about such so the specific does not exist. Such about is giving this error message. Object index.html is there. It is there. Yeah, it is there, and we are able to access that, right? So maybe this is the old one. So let me open new coordinator. Try this one more time. Oh, sorry, spelling mistake, guys. Okay, let's edit this. L, correct? So now we are able to see our own static web page, right? So if you take a look, right, what it is doing, like here I have give like this one, the like a menu kind of section. Here is the title of the page, and then portfolio, about, and contact. Like if you click on portfolio, it will take you in the portfolio section. If you click on about, it will take you about section. If you click on contact, it will take you contact section, right? And if you click here, it will take you the home page, right? So this is how our static web page will be look like, and this is the text I have given, like please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any video from our channel. Thank you, right? And this is the portfolio. Here I have given some of the images like that, and it will be like this all like thing I have done by using that what I can say, like by using the CSS and JavaScript and then HTML. Simple. This all, nothing else is here. Maybe I will create in my like a subsequent video. I will create some more details about the static, how we can create our own like HTML design or maybe CSS design. Some of the element I will talk about more details. Right, and here I have the tab out section, right? Contact section here. These are the things there, and if you click here in start cloud, right? If you click here, it will take you another page, which is nothing but our, what we can say, our cloud page, our YouTube page, right? So this is how it will look. So hope this will helpful you guys, and if you like, please share with your friend, and please subscribe my channel so that you will really inspire to me. And if you have any comment, please put your comment in the comment section. I will address those in my next video. Okay, chalo, thanks. Bye. See you guys in next video.